Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Leonard from Situative. This is actually what we are looking at. I mean, we perceive the protection gap as a huge opportunity, taking into consideration that we are talking about insurance as a saturated market, and well, the big question, of course, is where can you actually make a move here? Our focus is actually to complement existing products, given the fact that everything else may become very costly from a customer acquisition perspective. Next thing is, in order to speed up the process and to be quick on, have a quick time to market, we don't rely on the existing legacy systems of an insurer. Hence, we do all the work for the insurer from a processing perspective. Other thing, it is highly important to focus and deep dive along the customer journey to have the customer acquisition cost under control. We do that by pretty much doing everything of the value chain. So we develop the products with and or for the insurer. We do the fulfillment process as a digital MGA, and then either internally or externally do we do the distribution technology and the whole marketing process to put a product into the market. That actually allows us to initiate products which are as low as €1 to cover, for example, the liability issue of you renting out spaces at Airbnb or vice versa, and that is something we tested through our own brand in Germany and then actually gave out to third parties as well. In essence, it's like an e-commerce system, but used for insurance. I think we've heard that a couple of times today already, but that's just, that's stuff you have to do in order to keep the marginal cost as low as possible. Most importantly, we have great projects and products in the market already. We currently do the same thing for Porsche. We basically, provide products like you going on a racetrack, which is likely out of scope of your existing coverage. So, good use case for a complementary product, and or using our platform for endorsements of your existing policies, which we, for example, do with HDI. Most importantly, we use very cheap marketing signals. So we create products that you can use as digital content for geofilters with Instagram or Snapchat, and or of course location-based advertising in whatever form. And from doing that and from actually initiating products which are that low, that cheap, you actually collect data from people that you want to approach, like people on the Coachella Festival or Burning Man Festival, and then can you actually learn to see how you can acquire the statistical twins of those clients. Aside, we look forward for new partners and thank Plug and Play very much for the opportunity. Thank you.